Just restored the headlights for the 2012 C300. It actually turned out a lot better than I anticipated. So I've been off this project for a little while now because I built a little truck for my son. So what's going to happen is I've already lined up paintwork for the hood. I have 2 new fenders. I have the front bumper here, which I am also going to have painted. And then I have the duckbill spoiler that I'm going to have painted to match. Everything OEM. Got to retint the passenger side window. And then I'm going to, door's locked. Got to put another battery in it. And then I'm going to wrap the trim in it, like I did on my blue one, which I think looks pretty nice. So I'm going to go with that same style wrap in this one here. And then I have a new air intake system going back to factory. Gonna have my buddy Volio coat it out for me because it is without a catalytic converter. So the catalytic converter is gutted. And then I'm gonna paint the roof trim there. Thinking about wrapping the top black, but leaving it the rest, you know, just to give it like a panoramic kind of look. You know, I really think that looks nice when you can black out the roof and the windows are tinted and you got black rims. I mean, it you know, it looks appropriate when it's all said and done. So that's where I'm at on this project. Moving slowly but surely. But damn, those headlights look good after a restoration. I'm happy with it.